All right, short shifter install, 2018 Honda Accord, 6-speed manual, short throw shifter anyways. So this is what they gave me. There's a QR code, but if I link the, oh here's the website. And then we're gonna install it. All right, first things first. There's not a lot of videos out there, but suppose you take this out, obviously. So it should pop out, forward. Okay, take that side out. Do the same thing to the other side. Just pull it. Put you on pause. All right, both sides are taken out. As you can see, I was wondering why you take this out when seeing another person's video. It's because I guess this is attached to this, because this got to come up. So now we're just gonna pull. I guess, let's see. Oh shit, man. So pull forward. Be careful not to break it. It's plastic. Clips. Here we go. Close that back up. Do the same thing here. Just be careful, it's plastic. Let's see. This stuff. I guess we're gonna pull this forward. Let's see here. Get over there, me doing it. Bad camera view. I basically just grab that and pull it forward. Grab it from the bottom right here. Put your hand or with a plastic tool. Pull forward. You can unclip it if it makes you feel good, but I'ma just leave it hanging. Then it's alright. Should be pulled up. Alright. Oh yeah. Push this down. Push that down. Grab it right here. Just push it down. This comes up. Alright, I'm gonna put you on pause. Alright, I took that out. Alright, I guess this gotta come up. So I'm gonna use 2 hands for this. So just grab it here and here. Oh wait, yeah, let's just grab it with 2 hands. See if I get a better camera view. Alright, progress. Alright, push this up. No. Okay. Alright, so you're gonna pull this up. Should come right up. Alright, so you're gonna pull over here with both hands gently. I should have been using the prying tool. I'm doing it the hard way. So use any plastic prying tool if you don't scratch. Anything will do. Even install plastic tools. I'll clip this button right here. Push that pin in. Major had to push in and out. Out. Second clip. Same thing. Push the button, push towards you. the prying tool comes in handy. It has this fork thing. Put that there and push up. All right, when you're taking this out, just push these tabs, make sure they're in. Just be patient with it. I don't know why they mounted on the switch, but try not to break your switch. If not, your e-brakes will not work. Oh, never mind. Your ECOD mode and brake will not work. There's our shifter. Gotta take out much next. Let's see what else. This comes out right. Oh, push this up. Push this side up. Alright, so you're gonna pry over here. I use that tool, pry it over here. Push up. And these are your clips. And yeah, I'm gonna clean this because it's not looking too nice. Oh yeah. Coffee on that. Alright, so now you have access. So you want to get to there. Probably see it. Damn. Alright, that's what you're looking at. That's where it's gonna go. Using my iPhone for this. So basically you need to pop this down without breaking it. Supposedly it pops up, but the kit I brought, just in case I break it. I bought it anyways. Alright, I was trying to figure out how to make this easy for people. Alright, so what you're gonna do is shift it in, what's that, third one? Third gear, shift it forward. And you're gonna see the two clips that you need to, maybe you can see it, you can see it in person better, but I can't really see it here. Those two that clip you need to remove it, and then it pushes down. So probably see it from right here. There it is. That clip. This clip you need to push out, and then push down. I'm gonna do it right now. All right, so I was able to get it out. Can't really see it, but it's not easy. But as soon as you put one side out, just push down, it comes right out. And there you go. There you go, that clip's gotta come up. There's the blue one. I'll look into it, but I don't know if I should replace it or use that one. I'll see. Alright, I'm gonna use this tool to pry it out. You can use the white one that it came with the kit, or use the blue one, whichever one you want. Pretty much. This thing is hard to record this. Yeah, they look the same. I'll double check. I'm gonna check it when they come out. Alright, just pretty much just pry this down. It should pop right out. Make sure you grease it. Alright, after struggling, I did manage to pry it out. They are different. So when you get the kit, get this as well. Actually, they're the same. But I think this hole is bigger. Hold on. Can't really tell in the camera. Actually, it's the same. Never mind, sorry. Yeah. Same thing. So you don't have to order it with this white thing. I guess if you order it just in case you break it, taking it off. Alright, so I'm gonna go with the white one. Just because it's easier. I mean, you can use the white, blue one if you want. Whatever you want, your choice. If it gives me problems when I'm shifting, I'll just shift it back. Make sure you put grease in here. I'm just using whatever grease I have in the garage. Burn grease. Don't go too crazy. Just quickly lube it. Put some grease on it. I think that's too much, but you get the idea. All greased up. There you go. You get the idea. I don't think I have to record this. Oh, don't forget thread lock on the screws. Put a little bit of thread lock on these screws and then put it in. Alright, so I had to come on this side, but the easiest way I found to install it was at that position. Because then you move it forward and like that, and you tighten the back one. So pretty much, it's tricky, you know. So come with your right hand on this side, and then sit on that side and tighten the left side with your left hand. Found that to be easier. Alright. Took a while because the clip came out. I was looking for this when it fell down there. So you want to take the clip out to make your life more easier. That way you don't lose it inside here. If you want to take all that out, you can, but I didn't want to. I don't know if you can see it, but I installed the clip on. Just doing everything the hard way. Install this clip. Make sure it's inside these little grooves. Should be able to push it in place. So try to record it while doing it. But I don't know. Just give it some love. Make sure it's seated. Push up hard. There you go. Short shifter installed. Short throw shifter installed. There it is. Lighting's not that great. There you go. There you go. Finished product. There you go. Thread lock on the screws. I'll try to get another angle for you guys. It's kind of shitty. It's in a dark spot. There you go. Installed, greased up. It's in there. Shouldn't come out. And there you have it. Till the next one. And just install everything in reverse order. I'm not going to record that. So I will be test driving it, and they are is short. Actually real good. It's pretty short. It's the way I like it. It's almost short like the SI. I will be upgrading this next because it looks like loose. Yeah, it looks loose. So they already have upgrades for that. If I don't like the way it feels, I'll upgrade this next and do a video on it.